Hey, you're blessed today.
Yep, right.
Lead this team now. Lead this team.
We'll do.
Through 4 weeks, the Eagles were perched atop the NFC East. Veteran safety Malcolm Jenkins wanted to make sure they stayed there.
Let's go! Let's go! Y'all want to be good or you want to be great?
Let's go!
Great teams are physical. Great teams play good at home. Great teams play together, play for each other. You want to be good or you want to be great? You got to leave that out here, man. Every single snap, man, we touch this grass, we together. We great, and that's the standard. We can't have nothing less than great. One play at a time. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yep. Come on, Larry. Tell him to throw that over here, Larry. Tell him to throw that over here.
1st and 10, Arizona. Football at the 21. Palmer takes the snap, hit as he fires, and it's incomplete.
Tipped away. Malcolm Jenkins, who has played terrific football for the Eagles this season.
I should have picked up. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey, don't slow down now, let's go. Speed up. Speed up. Hey, let's go, buckle down. Buckle down. Hey, keep whacking them boys, bro. They do not like that. They do not want to play. Get whacked.
Malcolm Jenkins puts him on his backside.
Let's go.
Great start, 2-7. Great start, baby.
Oh, y'all tired of me making tackles? Sorry, I did my lumosity earlier today. Got my brain going. Hey, they got to take a shot downfield. And it's got to come out quick, too.
Wentz in the gun. Takes the snap. He's back. Looking.
Throw it.
Stepping up. He is going deep. And it is caught at the 20, the 15, the 10, the 5. Touchdown, Torrey Smith. The bomb. The Eagles 21. Arizona. Zip.
It's like Big Ben, bro.
That's why I told people, bro, I was telling people that last year. I said, they said, who you see him being like? I said, bro, he gonna be like a Roethlisberger, but even more agile though. Like
He makes plays with his legs, like by
all his best plays come when he extend the play.
I'm a high step, bro.
Hey, keep talking the little things. Hey, let's keep doing the little things now. Let's go. Let's go. We got to bury him. Do the little things. Let's go. Hey, plays out there. Plays out there. Keep communicating. Keep flying to the ball. Hey! Hey! Let's eat. Let's eat. Oh! Let's go.
Boy, Jenkins has had a good first half.
Hey!
3rd and 19 from their own 27.
Let's convert. Let's convert.
The 7 for 10 on 3rd downs, but this is something else. Wentz on 3rd down takes a low snap. Here comes the rush.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
He is floating it deep, and it is caught by Aguilar
Run.
at the 20. Cuts back at the 10. He is in for the touchdown. Oh!
Hey, now he's styling on me. Styling on him. That was nasty, bro.
Nelson Aguilar runs under it. He does a little spin down there, avoids the tackle, and goes into the end zone.
But now, first he caught the ball immediately, like still on, then like cut back, cut back, run out, then just like stop it at one. Hey, I love it. I love it. I love it. Hey, that was nasty. He's one of the Cardinals. I like that. I like that. Hey. Big time, bro. Big time.
One-sided win.
I like that.
34-7. The Eagles led 21-0 at the end of the first quarter, and they never looked back.
Hey, on to the next, though. On to the next.
7 look a lot better than 14.
On to the next.